First of all, plug in the network cable. And then click on the screen Home. After the appearance of this interface, click on Login. Click on the white area. Before entering the password, enter the password, and then click on End. And finally click on Login. After entering, click on Log Set. You can see that it is now the red indicator is not connected to the state. Click on Ask. After entering this interface, click System Setting. Select Network. Click Enable DHCP. Fill in the read GW data into DNS. Then click OK. Finally check Enable DHCP. Then select Internet of Things. Click Online. You can see the status becomes green, and then click on the upper right corner of the X launched. After clicking Run Project, we re-enter to check whether the connection is successful. You can see that the indicator has turned green. Now let's configure the software. Open the program installation package and then choose your installation location. Wait for the installation to complete. Click here. Click here to enter the IP of the server we gave you. Log in by entering your username and password. Log into the software and click on the arrowed location in the video. Click on the JA to add your device. Enter your device number and device key here. This is the interface we just got on the touch screen. Fill in the device code and debit key. When you are done entering, click here. Here you can change the name of your device. Zaxian in blue means it's connected to your device. Click on the blue font 监控 to control your device remotely. Here you can choose whether your display is proportionally stretched or not. Once you enter this screen, you can make changes remotely. VNC means real-time synchronized operation with the touch screen, usually used for demonstration purposes. Enter the password